How to make cold brew at home. Step-by-step guide. The process is simple and only takes a little bit of preparation. Ready to get started? Let's go. You will need the following. 1. Toddy cold brew system. 2. 1 filter bag. 3. 2 liters of cold water. We recommend using filtered or bottled water. Avoid tap water to reduce contamination risk. 4. 200 to 250 grams of coarse ground coffee. 5. A spoon. Step 1. Step up the cold brew system. Insert the stopper into the bottom of the container. Next, wet the felt filter and place it inside the container. Then pour some cold water into the container. Step 2. Prepare the filter bag. Place the filter bag inside the container. Then pour a small amount of cold water to wet the bottom of the bag. Step 3. Add ground coffee. Pour the ground coffee into the filter bag. The recipe is 200 to 250 grams of ground coffee with 2 liters of cold water. Step 4. Add cold water. Slowly pour 2 liters of cold water over the ground coffee. Step 5. Mix well. Use a spoon to gently stir the grounds, making sure the solution is well mixed. Step 6. Brew overnight. Twist the top of the filter bag. If your Toddy home system comes with a lid, cover the container with it. Brew overnight in the fridge for at least 8 to 12 hours. Step 7. Drain the cold brew. The next day, remove the stopper to let the liquid flow into the glass decanter. Step 8. Store the cold brew. Cover the glass decanter with the lid and store in the fridge. Pro tip: consume your cold brew within 5 to 7 days. Storing it longer may cause tangy or funky flavors. Step 9. Clean up. Discard the filter bag with the used ground coffee. Soak the reusable felt filter in hot water and let it dry. Lastly, wash the brewing container. Now you are all ready to enjoy fresh, smooth cold brew.